Speak like a leader, 10 executive English phrases. This is an executive English coach lesson. Leaders don't speak more. They speak clearly, faster, and with confidence. These 10 phrases will instantly upgrade your professional English. Hi everyone, I'm Eric, your executive English coach. Today we will learn 10 powerful phrases that leaders use every day. These phrases are useful in emails, meetings, presentations, and in difficult conversations. Let's begin. First phrase, here's the situation. This phrase brings immediate clarity. It shows leadership, calmness, and control. Example, here's the situation. We need to finalize the proposal by Thursday. Second phrase, here's what I recommend. Leaders don't just describe problems. They offer direction. Example, here's what I recommend. We streamline the process and reduce the review time. Third phrase, let me clarify. This phrase helps you take control of confusing discussions. Example, let me clarify. The deadline hasn't changed. We are still delivering on Monday. Fourth phrase, here's what matters now. Leaders remove noise and focus on priorities. Example, here's what matters now. Aligning the team before the launch. Fifth phrase, let's look at the options. This is a neutral, professional, and collaborative approach. Example, let's look at the options. We can extend the deadline or add support. Sixth phrase, what's the ideal outcome here? Great for planning, conflict resolution, and strategy. Example, what's the ideal outcome here? Clarity on responsibility and next steps. Seventh phrase, let's make this actionable. Leaders translate ideas into clear steps. Example, let's make this actionable. John owns phase 1 and Funda leads the review. Eighth phrase, here's what we know so far. Perfect for updates, problem solving, or fast changing situations. Example, here's what we know so far. Customers' demand is increasing and we need more support. Ninth phrase, let's align on this. A classic phrase in American workplaces. It means, let's make sure we agree. Example, let's align on this. The next steps, timeline, and responsibilities. 10th phrase, here's the next step. This is how leaders close conversations with clarity. Example, here's the next step. Finalize the first draft and send it for review. Thanks for watching the Executive English Coach. These 10 phrases will make you sound clear, calm, and confident. Start using them today and your English will immediately feel more executive. If you want to speak English with leadership presence and confidence, subscribe to the Executive English Coach. I'm Eric. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.